Hey, this is Babakar from World Tripco. Hey, there are some top 7 places must visit in Paris. Before getting into the video, just check out our website if you're planning for a trip. And the link is given below in description. First in the list is Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower was built in 1889, a powerful and distinctive symbol of the city of Paris and by extension of France for 130 years. This tower, built almost entirely of open lattice wrought iron, aroused amazement, skepticism of around 1063 feet tall. It's open all the days and timings are from morning 10 to evening 5. Arc de Triomphe. It honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars with the names of all French victories. It's an iconic symbol of French national identity and took 30 years to build. Beneath its vault lies the tomb of the unknown soldier from World War I. Jardin des Plantes. It was founded in 1626 as a royal garden of medicinal plants and has been used throughout the centuries by botanists and doctors. It covers 28 hectares on which are situated 6 greenhouses for display and 22 for service functions. There are 23,500 species of plants are cultivated in these greenhouses. The best time to visit this garden is from morning 7 to night 11. Louvre Museum. Louvre Museum is the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris. Visit the Palace of French Kings to admire the world's finest art. It holds many of Western civilization's most famous masterpieces, including the Mona Lisa by Da Vinci and Venus de Milo. It's open from Wednesday to Monday and timings are morning 9 to evening 6. Pont Alexandre III. It was built in 1896, is a deck arch bridge that spans the Seine in Paris and is widely regarded as the most adorned, extravagant bridge in the city. The bridge is a popular destination in the night as it lightens the locality with its marvelous and giant lamps which are located on both sides of the bridge. Each and every corner of the bridge is decorated with some statue and sculpture showcasing the architectural wonder of the French kingdom. Sacré-Cœur Basilica. It has maintained a perpetual adoration of the Holy Communion since 1885. Was designed by Paul Abadie. It is the second most visited monument in Paris and is located at the highest point in the city. The purpose of the church was to protect the French but also for them to be forgiven for all their sins. The best time to visit is from morning 6 to night 10:30. Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles has been listed as a World Heritage Site for 30 years and is one of the greatest achievements in French 17th century art. The rooms of the palace were then devoted to housing new collections of paintings and sculptures representing great figures and important events that had marked the history of France. The best time to visit the palace is from morning 7 to evening 7. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to World Trip Co for more videos. Keep watching World Trip Co and keep traveling.